Breaking news. Good evening, I am Ramesh Wete and the Easy World News. We interrupt on programmation with breaking news for the Middle East. Former USA President Donald Trump has acclaimed that the United States military carried out the target operation that killed Mojtaba Khamenei, the son of the Iran Supreme Leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. Ali Khamenei had reportedly been killed in the previous streak anti-Iran regime and recently present his son Mojtaba as possible successor. Officials said the operation opened air today with report explosion with security force will security the area. International analysts warned the event could increase tension beyond the United States and Iran. Mobilize our expectation. This is Ramesh Wete reporting.